Hello and welcome to this yoga flow to help you feel refreshed and just clear out the cobwebs. We're going to start an easy seat, so as and when you're ready, just ensure that the sit bones are comfortable. We'll take the hands casually onto the thighs or the knees. As we arrive, we'll begin to take a gentle circle, spiraling of the spine. Eventually we'll begin to take that left hand down towards the earth, right hand coming onto the thigh as I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror. We'll begin to take that torso, the heart over towards the right. Lifting that right hand, if you choose, up towards the sky, and then over towards the left. If you like, you might take the right hand towards the back of the head or the ear, just opening up, leading with the elbow of that right arm. Casually beginning to release that right hand down towards the earth. And we'll simply repeat this on the other side. Left hand onto the thigh to begin with. Sweeping the left arm up and over. Left hand can come to the back of the head or the ear if you choose. We're going to gently begin to take our first twist. Right hand coming along that left shin near thigh. Lifting the torso, taking the gaze over the shoulder. Gently releasing the twist, tucking the chin in towards the chest, rounding cat. Shoulders coming back over the sit bones. We'll take this on the other side. Left hand along the right limb. Again, we'll gently begin to release, tucking the chin in towards the collarbones, rounding the spine. Shoulders coming over the hips, hands coming behind us. We'll begin to open up the chest, and we can stay right here, maybe taking a seated camel. As and when you're ready, we can stay or beginning to lift, pressing into the hands, taking the sit bones away from the earth. Just ensuring you're not holding your breath. Gently releasing the sit bones down, hands coming onto the thighs. We're going to begin to transition into a tabletop position of all fours. As we begin to arrive onto all fours, taking a bit of cat-cow, tucking the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine. And then beginning to come into that cow, smiley face. And just taking a few rounds in your own time, own ways. Beginning to come back through our neutral. We're going to take your left leg behind you and we'll begin to lift. As we begin to lift, we're going to take a knee to nose. So begin to tuck and round. And then we'll extend. Now it can go hip height. You might begin to go a little bit higher. And then we'll begin to bring that left knee towards the left elbow. And extending. This time we'll begin to bring that left knee towards the right elbow, tucking in and then over towards the right. And extend. Casually begin to bring that left foot towards the outside of that left hand, coming into a bit of a lizard pose. So we can stay right here. Maybe we take a twist, hand onto the thigh. You might choose to point the right toes. Left hand coming back, you might grab. Holding. If you have hold of that right foot, you might begin to open up that left knee. So that left foot coming back down towards the earth, left hand. We'll begin to take that left leg straight behind us. Again, we can stay here in our half tiger. Maybe we lift. Maybe our right hand grabs hold of the left foot. Gently releasing that right hand down towards the earth, left knee. Tucking the toes. We're going to come through to our first downward dog of the practice. As we come through to this downward dog, you might pedal, or maybe we simply settle in. Maybe we wag the tail. Gently releasing the knees back down towards the earth, untucking the toes, child's pose. Taking a few rounds of breath here. We'll begin to rise back through to that table. Taking your right leg behind you, half tiger. We're going to repeat that knee to nose series. So we're beginning to lift if you choose. Exhaling, tucking and rounding. Right leg going straight behind us. We'll begin to bring that right knee towards the right elbow. Straight behind, knee towards the nose, and then over towards the left. And straight behind. We're going to come through to that lizard. Right foot coming towards that right hand. Again, we can take that twist right hand onto the thigh. Maybe we begin to point the left toes. Right hand might grab. Imagine taking the left heel towards the sit bone. Again, maybe we open up that right knee. So the right foot, left foot coming down if we had hold. Sweeping that right leg all the way back. We'll begin to lift. Finding our balance, maybe we bend the knee. Left hand might come back and grab. Left hand coming back down towards the earth. Right knee, we're coming back to that downward dog, tucking. Lifting the knees. We can stay in our downward dog, so taking a few downward dog plank rinses. So we begin to shift the weight into the hands. You might stay high. Maybe we release the knees. Exhaling, downward dog. We'll take that one more time, rippling through to your chosen plank. And downward dog. Gently releasing the knees all the way down towards the earth, untucking the toes, child's pose. From here, we'll begin to lift the torso up. Coming to sitting on the heels just for a moment. We'll take a gentle twist. Right hand coming over towards that left thigh. Left hand to the hip, maybe the foot, maybe the earth. Gently releasing, we'll tuck and round. And shoulders coming over the sit bones, taking that twist on the opposite side. And back through center, tucking and rounding. Lifting. We'll begin to take the hands together at the heart, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this very short, refreshing yoga flow just to clear out the cobwebs. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the playlist, and I'll see you again soon.